Welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. Subject Science, Class 4.
In last video, we have learned communication in written form by using letters. This we have completed. Now, today we will learn communication with the help of emails. Emails is also the written form of the communication. This email can be written as E as a capital dash mail or E small and rest mail also in the small letters. Okay, so communication in written form, today we will learn about the emails. But few more interesting things I would like to share with you about the letters communication, how the communication takes place with the help of the letters. This we have learned in last period, but few more interesting things which I would like to share with you. Okay, the first thing is that not only the information are carried with the help of the post offices, but now today we can also send money, gifts, packets or boxes through the post offices. Okay, now with this, nowadays many courier services are also available to us, which we can use to order something, which we can use to send money, gifts, packets, or even the other goods also we can send by using these courier services. The next interesting thing which I would like to share with you, that the post offices in India for more than 150 years, the Department of the Posts DOP has been the backbone of our country's communication. It has played a very important role in our life for communication. Means postal services are have been established in India more than 150 years before. So from 150 years, these postal services or the Department of the Post has been the backbone of our country's communication. I would like to let you know that in our country we have 1,55,531 post offices are there. 1,55,531. This is the approximate number of the post offices in our country. So this means what? This means that India has the most widely distributed postal network around the world. In entire world, our postal services or Department of the Post, India has the largest postal network in the world. Okay, now come to the point. We will learn about how the communication takes place with the help of the emails. Okay, so first of all, what is an email? Email means electronic mail, which can be written as e-mail or email without any space. Okay, so email is an internet service that allows people, to which people it allows to communicate? It allows the people, those who have an email address, that is your account, okay, to send and receive the letters in electronic format. We also send the letters the same way. We also can, means as we can communicate with the help of by the through the sending and receiving the letters, same way we can also communicate by using the emails also. The basic difference is that this is the electronic mail, this is, we can call it as the electronic letters. Okay, now knowing how to use the email is an important form of the communication in today's world. This very much means sending emails is very much similar to sending the letters or postcard, but there are some basic differences are there, that we will have a look about these basic differences. Number one, emails deliver much faster than the letters. Letters take too much time. It may take few days, few weeks, or even the month of a time to get delivered to the person or to the destination. But emails can be delivered very quickly. Within few seconds, the emails can be delivered. Okay, so these are the fastest means of the communication we can say, as if we will compare it with the letters. The second thing is that for sending letters, usually we have to spend some money, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, whatever the amount we will have to pay to send the letters. But to send the emails, they are usually free of cost. We can send the emails. The third difference is that emails, to send the emails, it needs the electronic device such as the computer, laptop, tablet, or your mobile phone also can be used to send the emails. But to send the letters, such any device is not needed or not necessary. Okay. The next thing is that how can we send the email? What are the steps of it? This part we will continue in the next video. Okay. So till that, take good care of yourself and be happy. Do study the remaining part. How can we send the mails? This we will continue in the next video. Thank you so much everyone for joining.